In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the help us confirm you own this account issue on Hotmail in just 5 minutes. Whether you've encountered a security prompt or need to update your information, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to head over to the Outlook login page. You can do this by entering the URL directly into your browser's address bar, or simply by searching for Outlook login in your favorite search engine. Once there, you'll see the sign in button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook homepage. Here, focus on finding the profile icon. This should be located towards the upper right corner of the page. Once you've spotted it, click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is an important hub for accessing your account settings, so it's good to familiarize yourself with it. Now, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft account homepage. You can access it through a direct link or search for Microsoft Account Home. This area is where you can manage all your personal information and account preferences across various Microsoft services. Next, within your account homepage, you'll see a section labeled Your Info. Click on this section as it's where you'll manage the details that confirm your identity. Within this area, look for the Sign In Preferences link. This is crucial for managing your account security settings. When you click on Sign In Preferences, you'll be directed to a screen that allows you to manage sign-in methods associated with your account. Here you'll see the option to view or add a phone number. Click on Phone Number. This step is vital. Adding a current phone number enables Microsoft to have a recovery option should you encounter issues accessing your account. You should make sure your phone number is up to date. You may also choose to add a recovery email if you haven't done that yet. To ensure everything is correct, review the information you've updated. Having updated contact details is essential for Microsoft's security checks and will help avoid further complications with verifying account ownership. Once everything looks good, you can exit out, knowing you've bolstered your account's security and resolved the prompt issue. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently navigate and manage your account settings, keeping it secure and readily accessible. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance. Have a great day.